Eme catching a tagline. Join me as I visit this newly opened place in Panglao. Today, we'll visit Bellamar. It's located by the main road and has a lot of dining options. If you're in a budget, KFC is here. This is where we had our dinner that night. There's also a Korean restaurant, kaso sarado na kaya I wasn't able to check their menu. There's also the Lemon Co for refreshing drinks. We also found Panda Tea Garden. That's not only a tea house, they also sell pasalubongs just like this Kalamay Puffs. I love this. Hindi masyadong matamis para sa ating mga trentahin. It's best eaten immediately so you can get the best out of its flavor. At syempre, they also have the Buzz Cafe, which is owned by the Bohol Bee Farm. Hindi pwedeng hindi mag-ice cream, kaya I had the Guyabano. Ay, sobrang sarap nito. Bellamar is an up-and-coming place. Madami pang stores to open soon. Have you visited here before? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more food reviews. Eme, sa susunod ulit.